Everything in your life is a reflection of the choices you have made. Every action, every decision shapes your reality. If you want a different result, you need to start making different choices.
This is the aesthetic motivation reel we are going to create in Filmora, and super easy to make. First, I've added a few clips to the timeline, just to keep everything short and clean. Now, let's make it more creative. Go to the Transitions panel, open Film Burn, and apply Retro Blockbuster 2. Set the duration to around 9 frames. That looks perfect. Now, repeat the same on the next cut, and slightly reduce the duration. Next, move the pointer to the beginning, where a few frames are empty. Go to Effects, search for Frame, and apply Scenic View Overlay 6. Stretch it till the end. Now you'll notice, the clips are not fitting properly. To fix this, go to Video Properties, and increase the scale to around 115%. Apply the same to all clips, wherever needed. Now, let's add a soft glow effect. Go to Filters, then your Spring, and apply Retro Shine. Keep it subtle, don't overdo it. Then, go to Color Settings, set temperature to 5. And tint to -3. This will give a slightly warmer tone. I'm going to color grade all these clips with a warm tone. This is exactly the look I'm going for. Now, go to Effects again. Search for Brushes Extreme, and apply the second one. Reduce the opacity to around 25%. Let's check a quick preview. Now, let's add some sound effects. Search for a camera click, place it at the beginning, and trim the ending slightly. Then add this shutter sound too, just below on it. Go to Whoosh. Well, you choose any of these, simply I apply this one, and also apply this sound on second cut. Finally, search for the camera lens, and place it here, adjusting its position. This adds a nice transition feel. Now, let's create the voiceover. Go to Text-to-Speech, click Start. Simply here you type your script. For voice, I'll choose Dave.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Since it fits a motivational tone. Click Generate, and once it's ready, delete the text layer and just place audio to the beginning.
Everything in your life is a reflection of the choices you have made. Every action, every decision shapes your reality. If you want a different result, you need to start making different choices.
Now, enhance the audio. Set equalizer to soft. Enable auto normalization, and set it to -10.
Decision shapes your reality. If you want a different result, you need to start making different choices.
Next, add background music. Go to Sad and Sentimental, choose any track. I will drag this track on timeline. Trim the beginning, add a soft fade in, and also fade out at the end. Instead of adjusting everything manually, just enable auto ducking on the voiceover. Finally, let's add dynamic captions. Go to Titles, AI Captions, then Dynamic Captions. Select the voiceover, set it to Clip Selection, and click Generate.
Everything in your life is a reflection of the choices you have made.
Click on it, go to Templates, I will choose this preset. Set any font by the way I using a Bastia bold, size to 40, and color to off-white. Adjust active words as well. Place it in the center, and apply to all. And now, this is your final result.
Everything in your life is a reflection of the choices you have made. Every action, every decision shapes your reality. If you want a different result,
if you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more cinematic editing tutorials.